I'm Deborah with WTI. I have with me this Maybelline New York Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. Now, I absolutely love this eyeliner. This is the blackest black, and as you can see, the intensity of the black is a really nice black. So I love to use this all the time. It's a really great eyeliner, and it comes with this pencil here, this brush that you can use to help you apply your eyeliner, which is great. And what I love about it is that it's super easy. I'm just gonna put some on now. It is super easy to apply. It glides on really nicely. So you can see there. Just gonna grab a bit more. And I've had lots of friends, lots of people ask me about which eyeliner I use because they love it as well. So I like sharing this eyeliner with my friends, telling them which one it is. So it's a really nice color. It contrasts really well, as you can see there. And I'm just gonna apply some here. Now, what I like about this eyeliner as well is that it lasts all day. So you don't have to worry about it smudging or coming off. It can last all day. The intensity as well, it stays black. So I definitely recommend this eyeliner. So if you're looking to buy one, this is a really good brand. So I definitely recommend it. This one here, and that's my point of view.